Now the task here in this example is to factorize this quadratic equation or expression. So what does that actually mean? What we actually want to achieve is that we get something like x plus a times x plus b. Something like that we want to get at the end. And now we have to find out what are these a's and b's. And there is a neat trick that we can try out. And this trick basically says that a times b, when we put these together, must give us negative 21. So you see here, the a times b gives us this number here. And we can try and figure out what number combinations would give us negative 21. So I could think of, let's say, for example, negative 3 times 7, for example. That would give us 21. Or, alternatively, it could be positive 3 times negative 7. So that would be another combination. We also know that a plus b, that's the other part of this sort of equation almost, must be this number here in the middle. It must add up to negative 4. Now let's see if we can find out the numbers so that a plus b gives us negative 4. And I can see that, for example, 3 minus 7, this gives us negative 4. So we have this fulfilled and we've got this fulfilled, and we can easily break it down into these two terms. We can write x times a, so that was this part here, x times x plus a, so x plus 3 times x minus 7. So we've got for a we've got 3, and for b we've got negative 7. And a times b, that gives negative 21. A plus b, 3 minus 7, gives negative 4. Now of course we can see whether this is correct, and we can do the test. So we can multiply this again. So we get x times x, and we do it again, minus 7x plus 3x minus 3 times 7. And we've got x squared minus 7x plus 3x gives us 4x minus 3 times 7 is 21. So we've got it right, and we have correctly factorized this equation into x plus 3 times x minus 7. I hope this makes sense, and thank you very much for watching.